Hello friends, myself Gitanjali Gadri, Assistant Professor in Rajashri Chhatrapati Shahu College, Kolhapur. Our topic is index numbers. Introduction is an index number measures the relative changes in price, quantity, value or some other item of interest from one time period to another time period. A simple index number measures the relative change in one or more than one variable. Definition is index number are quantitative measures of growth of prices, production, inventory and other quantities of economic interest. An index number is a statistical measure designed to show changes in variables or group of related variable with respect to time, geographical location to other characteristics. Characteristics of index number. First characteristics is index numbers are specialized averages. Second is index numbers measure the change in the level of phenomenon. Third is index numbers measure the effect of changes over period of time. Popularly used series of index numbers. First use is Bombay Stock Exchange means BSE Sensex index number. Second is NSE index number. Third is All India Wholesale Price Index number. Fourth is Consumer Price Index number. Fifth is index number for industrial production. Sixth is index number for agricultural production. This is the popularly used series of index number. Next is problems related to index number. First problem is choice of the base period. Second is choice of an average. Third is choice of index. Fourth is selection of commodities. And fifth is data collection. Next is classification of index number. Then three types of classification of index number. First is price index number. Second is quantity index number. And third is a value index number. Price index numbers means it measures the changes in the prices of the commodities produced, consumed or sold in a given period with reference to the base period. Second is a quantity index number. This helps to measure and compare the changes in the physical volume of goods produced, sold and purchased in a given period compared to some other given period. And third is a value index number. This index shows changes in the value of any commodity in a given period in reference to the base period. Next is a method of construction of index number. Then two methods is first method is simple or unweighted index number and second method is weighted index number. First method is simple or unweighted index number. It is divided into two types, simple aggregative method and simple price relative method. Second type is weighted index number. Then it is also divided into two types. First is weighted aggregative method and second is weighted price relative method. We see that simple or unweighted index number. Then first type is simple aggregative method. It consists in expressing the aggregate price of all commodities in the current year as a percentage of the aggregate price in the base year. Means its formula is P01 is equal to summation of P1. P1 means current year price divided by summation of P0. P0 means base year price into 100. P01 means index number of the current year. P1 means total of the current year's price of all commodities and P0 means total of the base year price of all commodities. Next method is simple average of relative method. The current year price is expressed as price relative of the base year price. These price relatives are then averaged to get the index number. The average used could be arithmetic mean, geometric mean or even median. And formula is P01 is equal to summation of P1 divided by P0 into 100 bracket complete divided by capital N, where capital N is the number of atoms. When geometric mean is used, then formula is log of P01 is equal to summation of log P1 divided by P0 into 100 divided by capital N. Thank you friends.